Happy St. Patty's Day. Yeah, we did ourselves a big one. Are y'all ready to see a magic trick come to life? We got gold rum, Long Island iced tea, blue curacao, sour apple, and our pineapple syrup that y'all know I love to use, sitting in a nice cup waiting for us. Get into the St. Patrick's Day decorations though. Y'all watch the magic happen. So we gotta see it already coming up. Ooh. Ooh. Channel, we gotta mix that together. And it's gonna be a pure, fresh, beautiful green, y'all. Hold on, wait for it. Wait. Yes, let's get into this look. Ooh. Ooh. So we had our blue mixture. And we had our pineapple syrup at the bottom of the cup just waiting for us. Our blue mixture was the lip smack and sour apple, blue curacao, Long Island iced tea, and some gold rum, y'all. And we made our own St. Patty's Day drink. What do you think it should be called? Because honestly, I don't have a name for this one, y'all. I don't. Big shout outs to Caffeinated Confidence on TikTok for coming up with the name The Frozen Leprechaun. I think it fits it to a T. Sauce responsibly.